Hi guys, today we talk about animals of the river. Do you like this? I bet so, and today we talk about it now. With me a little bit. Okay. Animals of the river. Animals of the river. What is a river? Rivers are a place where water flows on land. Many kinds of animals live in the river. Some stay in the water for all the time. Others stay in the water only half of their lives. Living in the water, all animals must breathe. Some rivers animals swim to the top of the water, then they take a breath of air. Others breathe underwater. Fish have part called gills. Gills help them get oxygen from the water. Living on the water, ducks and other birds on top of the waters. Ducks have webbed feet. These feet help them swim. The duck's mouth is called a bill. Its flat shapes with bills help the duck eat small plants and animals in the river. In the ocean, salmon are fish that spend some of their lives in the oceans, some in the river. Adult salmon swim up the river to lay their egg. These eggs were born. Wowzer, a salmon can find the place where it was born by smell. In and out of the river. Frogs spend only parts of their lives in river. Adult dogs lay eggs in the river. These babies are called tadpole. Tadpole have gills. Tadpole grow legs and turn into frog. Frogs live on land and in the water. They have webbed feet to swim. Wowzer, frog can breathe through the skin. Do you believe it? I bet so. If you believe it, like and subscribe, and if you not believe it, comment it. And please, and if you believe it, like and subscribe and comment now why you believe it. And if not, like and subscribe and why you not believe it. Okay? A caddis flies in insects that live near water, like frogs. Caddis flies lay eggs in river. Young caddis flies build homes out of small rocks, shells, and leaves. These homes protect them from other animals in the river. Soon they change into adults. They grow wings and fly away. Alligators live in the river and on land. They find food in the water and on land. Alligators dig holes near a river. These are called gator holes. Sometimes rivers dry up. The gator holes stay filled with water and full food. Changing the river. Beaver change the river they live in. They choose on trees to cut them down. The trees block the river. The pile of trees and branches called the dam. Dams slow down the water. These makes a pool. Beaver live in these dams. Be an engineer. You must learn about some river animals. How? Now build a model of a river. Put soil in a pan. Tilt the pan up by putting one side on a book. Now slowly pour water into the high end of the pan. Observe how the water flows your model. Now build a dam using only natural objects. Let's water flow again. How did the dam change? How did the river flows? How would the dam help the hard animals in the river? Beyond books with an adult, visit a river or stream. Do you see an animals?
Good job.
Oh yeah, this is the nice one. Focus reading. Yeah, I do like this. I bet you like it. Oh, we have star. And thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe or comment below. What is the most animal you love? Do you know more about how they live in the river, stream, or someplace? Do you why comment why you love these type of animals? And give me the videos that you do it. That you make a model river. And thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe or comment below. See you next time. Bye. See you next time.